Hi guys, welcome to Tech D. In this video, we are going to see how to compress a video without losing its quality using handbrake. Handbrake is a popular software that are used to compress video files that are higher than 1 GB. It's also a free software, so let's start. To download this software, go to your browser and search handbrake. Now click the first link and click the red colored button. After download it, install the software. I already have installed it. Now open the handbrake software. This is the interface. Now drag and drop the video file that you want to compress. After that, you see various options. So let's start one by one. At first, you change the format of the video file in the summary option. I want MP4, so I leave it as it is. You can change the dimensions such as flip the video or change the aspect ratio or change the resolution of the video in the dimensions options. Then the main option in this software is the video option. In this, you can change the encoder. In general, H.264 into 264 is the recommended encoder, so I leave it as it is. Then you see the frame rate below. Change that into same as source and select constant frame rate. You can also change the quality of the video by increasing or decreasing like this. I leave it as it is because my video is already in high quality. You can change the audio or add subtitles or chapter in these three options. Now select the location where this video file has to be saved and rename the file. I name it as compressed. Now click Start Encode. Wait for some time to compress the video file. After that, check the video in your file manager. Whether the video is in let's see original video and compressed video to compare each other. This is the original video. Now let's see compressed video. Whether to check the quality. This is the compressed video. You see the video that we compressed are same quality as the original video. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more tech videos. Comment what tech video you want next. See you in the next video. Goodbye.